The shiny color and metallic luster of shrimp shells create a luxurious and attractive feeling. The shrimp's sparkling eyes contain the secret of the sea and make each shrimp come alive. When enjoying it, you will experience the sweet and fragrant taste of the shrimp. With the softness and chewiness of shrimp meat, each piece of shrimp makes you irresistible. The walnut shell is dark brown and slightly cracked, revealing the smooth golden kernel inside. After roasting, the rich fatty aroma spreads, stimulating the taste buds. The walnuts are placed in a bag to lock in the flavor, keeping the walnuts always crunchy and fatty. Opening the bag, you will feel the essence of nature mixed in each walnut. Look at the cakes lined up neatly, moving rhythmically. They will be packaged to keep the deliciousness and flavor in the best way. Have you ever tried this cake? Once you take a bite, you will feel the softness and sweetness like passionate kisses and melt in your mouth. Each cake contains the passion of the baker. Cutting cheese thinly and alternately becomes easier than ever when you use this appliance. This is a machine with flexible and convenient features, helping to create diverse and unique culinary experiences. HPE filling line divider with 32 or more meat sticks is an effective and convenient solution for dividing and packaging meat accurately and quickly. The combination of HPE filling flow dividers and bulk meat sticks helps optimize the meat production and packaging process. By automating flow separation and filling, the production process becomes automated and less dependent on labor, minimizing errors and increasing productivity. The ice pallet packaging machine is not only an indispensable part of the ice production and packaging process, but also an important tool to help optimize the packaging and transportation process. With fully automatic capabilities, this machine helps pack ice pallets quickly and accurately, minimizing time and labor required. The flexible design and diverse features of the machine allow it to accommodate a variety of sizes and shapes of ice pallets, ensuring efficient and convenient packaging. Use an ice pallet packaging machine helps protect products from loss and damage during transportation, while increasing flexibility and cost savings in the packaging process. Delicious cereal cakes are not only a great choice for your breakfast, but also a delicious highlight in every meal. With a strong aroma and sweet taste, these cakes give you a warm and happy feeling every time you enjoy them. Made from natural and nutritious ingredients, they're not only delicious, but also a healthy choice. Discovering each grain of grain as pressed and fragrant, you will feel the care taken, the importance and enthusiasm that the manufacturer puts into each cake. The meticulousness and quality of every detail makes each piece of cake special and worth cherishing. With delicious cereal cakes, every day you can start with a breakfast full of energy and joy. Enjoy each piece of cake with a glass of milk or coffee for a good start to the day. Automatic extruder for cakes is not only an important tool in the food industry. Packaging helps prevent oxidation, thereby keeping red meat's natural flavor and quality better throughout its storage period. Vacuum packaging red meat in bags or containers can make storage and use easier, while also reducing the risk of contamination from exposure to bacteria and pathogens. Vacuum packaging technology is increasingly advanced, allowing the packaging of red meat in automated processes, ensuring accuracy and food safety. Have you ever enjoyed the taste of anchovies? With their slender shape and brightly colored bodies, anchovies are not only an important part of the marine ecosystem, but also bring excitement to observers. Anchovies also have high nutritional value and are often used in traditional sea dishes. With sweet and protein-rich meat, they are often popular in the preparation of sushi, sashimi, and other delicious dishes. At the same time, protecting and maintaining the number of anchovies in the marine environment is also an important part of protecting the environment and maintaining the ecological balance in the sea. Looking at the sharp blade working hard, cutting each thin slice of meat, you not only feel the precision and ingenuity of the processing process, but are also fascinated by the meticulousness and sophistication in the process. Every move, the blade is not only a tool, but also the talented hand of the artisan. Its sharpness and precision help create thin slices of meat without damaging the food's texture or natural flavor. Each cut is an art, technique, and sophistication expressed through each line. Behind the strong beauty of the blade lies technique and sophistication, patience and respect for the materials. When you see the blade at work, you not only see professionalism, but also feel the passion and dedication of the artisans behind the work. Ham, with its unique blend of meat and spices, creates a unique and attractive flavor. Seeing the slices of ham neatly arranged on the tray, you not only feel the soft beauty but also understand the meticulousness in the processing process. With each piece of ham, you are told a story about thoroughness, meticulousness, and passion. From the selection of fresh ingredients to the preparation and seasoning, everything is done with respect and love for the food. In the image of delicately sliced slices of ham and sausage, you not only feel the skillful cut,